Well, we never dreamed that section was there. We knew we were right in principle, and it was the clerk that found it for us. Okay? Boy, was that a real gold mine. So, never underestimate the power of your adversary to be your friend. Okay? Be nice to these people. There was a, in Thailand, I believe it was. You remember, some of you people remember these Buddhist monks that were dousing themselves in kerosene and setting themselves on fire? Had quite an impact on the government and international rules. So what happened, you see in Thailand, it was real simple how they solved problems. If you were a problem to the government, you disappeared at midnight. No problem. Okay? Well, here's this. These Buddhist monks were causing all kinds of trouble internationally, and everybody knew who was responsible for these Buddhists doing this. It was their leader. He was encouraging his people to do it, and everybody knew it. And this guy went around the country with a minimum protection, and nobody touched him. Nobody hurt him. And it was the wonder of the reporters of that area, the newspaper reporters, you know, and TV and so forth. Why didn't this guy disappear at midnight? That's what happened to everybody else that was that troublesome. Well, the reason was very simple. Everybody liked him. The guy was just simply so likable, even his enemies loved him. Oh, he was a pain in the neck, but they didn't want to hurt their buddy. You know, he was a nice guy. And that's how he survived. So, be sure when you're not conducting court business, you know the minute you turn your back, your adversary would love to stab you. Okay? You know that. They'll pull every trick. I've had an attorney call down and take the, claiming to be me, and take the, take my motion off calendar. And then I show up and the judge isn't prepared or anything else. Okay? They do all kinds of dirty tricks. They use wrong case numbers. Anytime you get a paper from somebody, check it carefully. That case number might be different. Okay? So, what I found was that be nice to everybody, you're a buddy. I had one attorney screaming at me in the in Orange County Courthouse in Santa Ana. I heard the echoes bouncing off the end of the wall at the end of the hallway. Okay? He was yelling at me. He was really out of control, and I was nice to him. Of course, that made it matter. But generally, you're nice to these people. So I just want to tell you that always be nice, even to your enemy. You'd be surprised what it'll get you. Let's see. Well, that's kind